Hey, so I asked Diza to do a test on the new fine iridescent glitters. These are the ones that we just came out with a few days ago. And I heard some rumors that they worked in epoxy from some of the technical guys. So I went ahead and asked her to run some tests. So she did. She took all 12 colors and she mixed them into a standard epoxy and she poured them out onto this glass and they worked. So that's really good news for all the tumbler people and the floor people and so forth. Now, does that mean that you shouldn't test? Because we only used, one or two brands of epoxy in our tests. Yeah, of course you should. So, please, when you, get small samples, run tests with the epoxy brand that you like. But I suspect you're going to find that they work. Now, when you're using these iridescents, I personally like to use them as an accent with other colors because they are clear. They are tinted, but they are clear. So if you're doing them, for example, on this clear glass like this, they don't have as big a punch. But if you put black behind them or you put another color behind them, they really pop. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up close so that you can see what it looks like. But keep in mind that, they're always better over another color than they are just by themselves. So here we go. I'm going to show you the back side and then I'll show you the front side. Okay, I'm going to flip it. Okay, so I hopefully you were able to see enough to be able to see what kind of effect you can get. But that's 12 new fine flakes, okay for epoxy. So we'll be updating the website description shortly. But in the meantime, tumbler people and fine arts people and floor people, it's a go. So we hope to see some of these flying out and onto your projects. Take care.